Step into the 2014 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.